How to use Grok 3. I'm going to tell you how to use Grok 3. Grok 3 is Elon Musk's AI chatbot built into X, or formerly Twitter. It's designed to give real-time answers with a sarcastic twist, kind of like ChatGPT, but with attitude. To use it, you'll need an X Premium Plus subscription. Once subscribed, open the app or website, tap the side menu, and select Grok. You can start asking questions just like any other chatbot. News summaries, code help, jokes, whatever you need. Grok pulls data from X itself, meaning it can react to live trends and real-time events faster than most AIs. Just know, it sometimes favors entertainment over neutrality. You can also switch Grok into fun, regular, or developer mode for different response styles. It works across mobile and desktop and keeps a chat history for quick access later.